Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that verified emeralds token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, VEREM is a real-world RWA project that tokenizes GIA certified emerald game stones, bridging the physical game stone market with decentralized finance. Each VEREM token is backed by real emeralds that undergo internationally recognized GIA certification and are securely held under audited custody, ensuring transparency, authenticity, and verifiable on-chain backing. According to website, the project operates with a focus on regulatory alignment, following compliance standard under ADGM framework, reinforcing institutional grade credibility and governance. VEREM combines responsible sourcing, third-party certification, and blockchain transparency to create trusted digital representation of physical game stones. Through its decentralized ecosystem, VEREM enables token holders to participate in governance via global DAO, with gaining exposure to a historical valuable assets class. The project mission is to democratize access to certified milestone by merging real-world assets value with secure, compliant, and transparent blockchain infrastructure. Verified emeralds token total supply is 50 million and circulating supply is also 50 million. VEREM token is listed on MEXC, Bitmart, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.